Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for your EUFY E20 3-in-1 combo vacuum. If you're interested in this product, it'll be linked in the video description. Go ahead and check it out there. So since this is a combo device, we have multiple things that we need to clean and maintain for both the robot vac as well as the cordless stick vacuum. Let's start with that first. On your main brush roller, you'll want to flip it over every so often and make sure that you're cleaning and detangling the main brush roller here. Keep an eye on that and make sure that you always have it nice and clean. And when the time comes and you want to replace the roller, we have a little unlock lever right there that we can go ahead and activate while we go ahead and pull that cover off, and that reveals our main roller here that we can just pop right out and out of the way. So inside you could clean and wipe that down, and then when it's time to replace, you can grab a new one of these and pop that right back on. Or for some reason you have to take this off due to a lot of tangles that you just can't get, you can give it a deeper clean that way. Next with the RoboVac, starting with the top, not much you should have to do here. Keep an eye up at the top where the bumper is. If you ever have any debris or crumbs stuck in there, you can remove those. Along the sides, just make sure you're wiping down those sensors every once in a while to make sure everything is running optimally. And on the back side right here, this is where some of the contents will self-empty out of the unit. So if you ever notice any debris built up right there, you can clean that right up. We'll flip it over. This is where you'll have to do the most maintenance. You can replace the side brush and the main cleaning brush and detangle as needed. You can just pop this brush off. So you just be able to pull it up and out of the way, cut away any hair, put a new one back on. And square to square, and then it just snaps right back in place. Same with the main brush roller. We can remove that cover to detangle as needed and swap out the brush as needed, and then it just snaps right back on just like so. And then last but definitely not least, on the handheld portion right here, there's a couple of things that we can do. It all relates to the filter. So we'll go ahead, we'll take our cover right here, follow the instructions. We can unlock that. We can rinse this down as needed. We can pull out our filter. We can clean and replace this as needed. So go ahead and clean this out. Compressed air will be your friend. And then we should be able to pull that filter out to replace and clean as needed. All can be done right there. So very simple and straightforward to clean and maintain both the robot vacuum and your cordless vacuum sharing the same handheld unit.